What's up, peoples? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in with another one. That's right, protect your neck, because I'm about to drop another banger on your head. If you're new to this channel is about making money and passive income. If you like any one of those things, then give me a like on this video, pound that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell, and then select all. That way, you'll be the first person to see my videos when they drop. Let's get it. About to do what I always do around this time. It's time to get paid. The banana token is at $4.62. It's down a little bit, but it's still up above $4, which is great. I have 72 banana to collect, worth $333. Apeswap.finance. Total value locked is over 700 million. My LPs are still going up. I got $33,000 worth of LPs now, man. I told you, it's very important to pick the right LPs. You pick the right LPs and then everything kind of like falls in line. See what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, what can I say? I took profit when I got to 26,000. I took 6,000 off the top. And then I knocked me down to 20,000. I'm talking about my LP value. Now it's back up over $33,495. That's a $13,495 gain in my LPs. So I got my 72 banana. You know what I'm saying? We're going to come back to this platform, but I got to go ahead and compound this over on Auto Farm. If you're not familiar with Auto Farm, it's a place where you can park your funds and it auto compounds it for you. So I have 1,000 banana. You can see it right here where it says 1.0K. They're worth $4,748. My average APY is still dropping. Is at 168%. I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I got to figure this out. So my daily APY is 0.29%. So this daily APY, this is what I earn every day, 0.29% on my total deposit, which is $4,748. So my current projection right now, if I don't do anything, just leave this $4,748 worth of banana in here. Within 364 days, I will be right around about $13,000, because they're going to auto compound my rewards every day, maybe multiple times a day, to get this 4,748 up to close to 14,000. So let me go ahead and compound this real quick. Let me go ahead and get these funds in here. Deposit the max and get this crypto paper, y'all. Let's get this crypto paper. Come on, man. This is a bull run. So far, it's still hanging in there. It's like fighting people trying to short the market, man. They're trying to bring it down. They're trying to stop everybody's crypto paper by going against the trend. I ain't mad at them, though. They doing what they can, you know what I'm saying, to make it how they feel. Get it how they feel. So right now, I got 1.1K banana worth $5,000 and around 5,000. We round it up to 5,100. Guess I can do that. So let's see what the projections is now. So based on this, I'm shooting upwards of I'm headed up to 16,000. So this is the power of auto compounding. And plus I'm adding to my compounds every single day. 7 days a week. Crypto don't sleep. So that's what I'm doing with auto, you know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and log out of that. So that's what I got over there. So now I have a decision to make, y'all. So here's the thing. So my LPs, somebody said I didn't mention that. So I'm going to go ahead. They have a new feature too called the Vault. It's a burning mechanism that they added. I'm gonna get into that in a second. Maybe I'll make a whole video on that. So right now, let me go to my farm. My LPs. Let's get to this real quick. So my value has dropped. Not my value, my APR is down to 147. My LP is Bison BNB. Bison is a decentralized exchange traded fund. Basically, they have different funds, and within those funds, they represent certain segments of the market. It's usually a basket of cryptocurrencies for each segment of the cryptocurrency DeFi market. And one token is the certificate of deposit. Basically, it's like, is it a certificate of deposit? It's similar to a certificate of deposit. Each fund has a token, and that token has a value. And the token value goes up and down based on the performance of the fund. So my pair is Bison BNB. This is my pair. Now, I'm really high on Bison. Bison only have 1 million tokens. That's the total supply. There's only 1 million tokens. It's primed to pump. So BNB is my pair. So what is going on here? Bison is pumping hard. And BNB is going up just a little bit. So I'm getting hit with impermanent loss. Now, I know you guys are like, wait a minute, Passive, your LP is going up, though. So you're not losing. No, this is a good problem to have. However, I'm trying to maximize my gains. So the APR is dropping. And I'm losing more of my Bison for BNB because that's what impermanent loss is. So Bison is going up at a higher rate than BNB. So to equal out my 50% on each side of the LP, is selling some of my Bison so the 50-50 balance is met. So I'm losing more of my Bison. So what I'm going to do, which is super risky, I'm going to break my LP, which means I'm not going to be earning my passive income anymore. And I'm going to take the BNB that I do have, and I'm going to dump it into the Bison token. Now, this is I'm either going to make a lot of money doing this, or I'm going to lose a lot of money, because this is super risky, because just like I think Bison can continue to pump, it could go down. So I could lose a lot of money doing this, which sucks, you know what I'm saying? But I think Bison, let me see, let's go. Let's see what the price is right now. Let me go to their website. So look at that. The price is up to $10, $9.98. It's only 1 million tokens supply. That's the supply, 1 million tokens. After that, there is no more. So this token, in my opinion, is a 50. I give a range. This is contingent on the market continuing to stay in a bull market. Excuse me. If we stay in a bull market and Bitcoin and Ethereum and the crypto market continue to go up, the Bison token is $100 token to me. That's the proper valuation of the token. It's $100 token. As long as they don't get hit with scammers liquidating the funds by flash loans and backdoor ways, there's some type of flaw in the contract where they're able to steal the money. So if they can protect the funds from scammers, this is a $100 token. So I'm looking at a 10x, right? If I'm right, this is at $10 now, so that's a 10x. 10 times 10. It's 100. So, with that being said, BNB is only at $485. Now, I personally don't believe that BNB is going to 10x. If it did, I would just leave it in the farm. If I thought it would, I would just leave it in the farm. Although it's a low APR, my LPs would go up and they would kind of balance out each other, while I would still earn a lot of money a day, over $130 a day. So although the APY, APR, however you want to say it, is going down, my LP value will continuously go up, which will help me earn a high rate. Although the APR is down. Hopefully I didn't confuse you guys with that. But basically I'll be staking with more value. So I still would stay around the same range I'm at right now. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to unstake. And unfortunately, I'm about to break my LPs. And I'm just going to bite the bullet on this one, y'all. Y'all going to see your boy either blow up. You know what I'm saying? I'm either going to blow up or I'm going to implode. You know what I'm saying? This is what it is. I got to break my LP because I think Bison token could 10x from here. So I'm going to split this up and I'm going to sell my BNB into Bison. Also, I want to see how much. I'm about to see how many Bison I have left, because initially, before I took profit, the last time my LPs went up, I had around 3,000. It was close to like 3,000. I should have went to liquidity. It was close to around 3,000 Bison. Now I know I don't have nowhere near that because of impermanent loss. So, with that being said, I got to break my LP, and this is a speculation play, which is super risky. However, I think I'm doing the right thing considering the circumstances. So I gotta go to liquidity first off. So go to liquidity, and now I gotta get my LP pair, and I have to break it. So it's banana, Bison. Remove. I want to remove 100%. So look at that. I only got 1,674 Bison. I started with over 3,000. So what happened was, this is the perfect example of impermanent loss. I started around 3,000 Bison. At the time that I started, Bison was around $2.50. So I put in around $10,000 in Bison. Maybe it was like 2,000. It was over 2,000. I do know that. So maybe Bison was like at $1.90, $1.80, something like that. So I put an equal amount on both sides, which was 20 grand. So I put 10,000 on Bison, and then I put $10,000 in BNB. So at the time, because the price of Bison went up so much in comparison to BNB, they sold off some of my Bison and gave me more BNB, which isn't a bad thing because I like BNB. So that's the other thing I said in my last video. If you're going to create an LP pair, create an LP with two tokens that you like a lot. That way, if you end up with more of one token than the other, it doesn't matter because you like them a lot. But in this case, because I think Bison's going to 10x, I have to break my LP because I want to be able to maximize my gains. So this is hard to do, man, because I'm about to lose this passive income that I was getting, which was pretty substantial. So what I'm going to do, I got 34 BNB, 34.4 BNB. I'm going to take these BNB and I'm going to buy Bison, and I'm going to hold on. You know, I'm going to hold on. And let's look at my chart. I haven't looked at my chart yet. Let me go to my trading view chart. Now this is a long video, but people want to see this process, so I'm going to show it. They want to know my thought process and how I make my decisions. So let's see what's going on. So the market, based on what I'm seeing, the trend is bullish. It's about to So the market might trade sideways from here, and I don't know what's going to happen after that, but it's definitely a bullish trend. And yeah, these two are indicating that it's about to be some momentum going down. However, this one is still bullish and this is still bullish, so the market should trade like this with very little movement until it figure out who's going to win between the bulls and bears. So that didn't really help too much. So now I got my LPs. I broke them out. So let's go to the swap. And what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm about to sell. Wait a minute, I should have more BNB than that. Okay, I had 34.4. So I'm about to sell 34.4 BNB, which is $16,000. $16,525. That's how much BNB I have, which is crazy because this is a crazy risky move, but I'm about to do it. I'm about to swap it for Bison, and I'm just gonna hold Bison. I'm gonna stake this Bison on a platform for a lower APR, but I think that this token could 10x. So we shall see if I'm right or wrong. So let's see. Let me see. Let's go to the. So Bison do have 3 funds live now. They have the Binance Smart Chain Top 10 fund. They have an Apeswap fund, and then have a Bishares Chain fund, which is their new fund, which has some of the hottest tokens out right now. So in this fund, you have Ethereum, BUSD, Bitcoin, Avalanche, Matic, ADA, Phantom, and the Bison token, of course. So this is the fund token price, $5.12. To be able to enter this fund, you need BNB. Bishares is on the Binance Smart Chain, by the way, and Apeswap is on the Binance Smart Chain. I keep forgetting to mention that because people ask. So this is their new fund, and this fund is a really good fund. My strategy, I probably will be investing in these funds to get exposure because you're using one token to get exposure to all these tokens, which is how many projects? 2, 4, 6, 8 different projects. All you need is one token, which is pretty sweet. So let me go back to where I'm at, Apeswap, and now I got 3,368 Bison. So I'm gonna take that Bison, and I'm going to stake it in their farm, the Bison pool, which I'm only going to earn 67.95% APR. And I know you asking, like, why would you do that? On Apeswap, you was earning, your APR was over 150%. That's like almost half. Because I don't want to get hit with impermanent loss, because I think this Bison token is ready to blow, and I want this 10x. So I got 3,000. Let's see, how many Bison is that? So I have 3,368 Bison. Let's see how much that is in BUSD. So that's $33,561, exactly what I had on Apeswap platform. So if I'm right that this Bison token is going to 10x, so 33,561 times 10 is what? Let me do the calculator. Get the calculator out. Now I could be completely wrong, which is why I'm documenting this stuff. Like, a lot of people don't document what they do until after they do it, and when it's a win, they make a video on it. I'm showing you guys my thought process, and this is a super risky move. So if I'm right, I'm gonna turn this $33,561 into $335,610. That's my reward. The risk is this $33,561 could go to absolutely nothing. I could lose all of it. So that's the risk to reward. I'm willing to take that bet. So that's what your boy gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and stake this in this Bison fund. Pool. And let's see, approve. And this pool earns Bison tokens. So I will be earning Bison while I'm waiting on it to go up. So that's another thing I told you guys. I would rather, if I'm going to hodl a token, I would rather earn passive income while I'm waiting on it to go up. So now here's the plus symbol. I'm going to stake the max. In just a minute, this over 33 grand will be into this pool. So now it's there and it's staked. And I'm going to earn a low 67.95%, which is very little. But like I said, I think this token could 10x. Will it? I don't know. I'm not a guru. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to do this, but I like what the Bishares token, the Bishares project is doing. So let me go to the Bishares. Let's see. I really do like what they're doing, and I'm bullish on the token. See, now it's up to $10.34. I mean, it's pumping. As you can see, the total supply is only 1 million tokens. That's it. Circulating supply is 310,000. That's all that's available. After that, it won't be anymore. So that means that over 600 and what? 85,000 tokens are off the market. It's only 310,000 available. If I'm doing this right. If my math is right. If not, correct me in the comments. So that's what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I think it's gonna pump. Now with it only being 1 million tokens, anytime there's a market pullback, this price will pull back a lot. But the reverse is true as well. That anytime there's a market push upward, this price is going to jump up a lot. So I'm just going to ride that wave, and we're going to see what's going to happen. And I'm going to document this stuff so you guys can see it. I'm going to keep you guys up to date. Now, get to this yield farming. So yield farming on Apeswap. So let's go to the farms. There is a new farm. So this is how I decide my how to pick a farm. So I'm on Binance Smart Chain, and I'm dealing with Apeswap.finance. The majority of these platforms that yield farm have a Telegram. A Telegram is where they give notifications to users about the platform, and they also have most of them have an announcement channel. So as you can see right here, it says Telegram. This is this little kite, or whatever I call it, a kite. It has an English version, announcements, and what have you. So you just click on announcements, and then the Telegram will come up. Then you go to the Telegram. So the Telegram, every time there's something new about the platform, they give an announcement. So the announcement is they have a new project that they added to their farms, and it is called the Republic. What is it? Republic Crypto. It says VR streaming platform for events and experiences. Seek it here to empower artists to disrupt the economics of the music industry. So this is a virtual reality streaming platform for music, according to this thing right here. So I'm gonna go to the page, and I'm going to pull up the token on the farm. This is it right here, MORBUSD. So the APR is 1,654%. The reason why it's this high is because this token has just listed and it doesn't have that many, a large amount of money. The more money that goes into the yield farming project, the lower the APR go. That's usually how it works. So right now it's $144,814 in the liquidity pool. Now everybody that's seeing this, they're doing their research, and if they think it's okay, then they get in. So what I would do before I was to get into something like this, I would research the project. So MOR, I would see if it's on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. So MOR, is that it right there? So let's see. Got an M. The logo got an M. I don't think that's it. Mork ain't it. Nope, I don't think that's it. So let's go to the Telegram again. Let's see what it's called. Republic Crypto. So I'm going to type that in. Republic Crypto. REPUBLIC. Republic. Nope, it's not listed. So I'm gonna go to CoinMarketCap. This is the process that I use to see what's going on here. Now, I'm sorry this is a long video, but some people like to see this stuff, so this is my process. So what I'm going to do is pull up as much research as I can on this token. So it's the MOR token. Let me go back. Got an M. How about Republic? So I will find out some information about this platform. Republic note. So I'm just going to type it in. So it's called Republic Crypto. Let's go to this. Let's see. Republic.co. That's a blog. And basically I'm just looking for information about the project. And what I'm looking for is to make sure that this token won't have a high minting of the token. Because what happens is if it does, then the token price will drop a lot. And that's what you don't want when you yield farming, because yeah, you might earn a high APR for a short period of time, but your initial investment will continuously go down. So if this price of this MOR drop a lot, and you put in, say, like 500 more on this side than 500 BUSD, when this price of this token drops, let's say like for every $100 it dropped, they're gonna sell $100 worth of BUSD. So you will end up losing your BUSD and earning and having more and more. And if it continues to go down, this more price drop would drain all your BUSD, where you will have a whole bunch of more and very little BUSD. And if this price of this token don't go back up, then you lost the value initial investment. A lot of your initial investment was eaten away. So that's what I don't want. I want a token that holds its value and or can go up from the prices at now. So this is their platform right here, and I would do research on this token. So first and foremost, I want to see what the price of the token is. So I'm going to go to the trade, and then I'm gonna type in MOR, and I want to see what the price of the token is. This is the stuff that I do. This is going to be a long video because people want to see this, so I'm going to show it. So I'm gonna type in MOR. Here it goes, and it says it's a stable coin, so that might be a good thing. So let's see what the BUSD. If it can hold its peg, this is a good one to invest in. Let's see. So 1 more is equal to what? Come on. How about if I flip it? Give me something. Let me see. So 1 BUSD. How about if I add 5 BUSD? So they're not gonna give me nothing on more. It's a new token, so sometimes this type of stuff happen. But it's very important to me to find out the price of the token that I'm about to pair. So I need to know this information. This is very crucial to how I yield farm. Other people have different processes, but this is how I look for the token. Let me see what's going on here. Is it still? I wonder. The blockchain spinning. Now this might be my internet. This might not be a connection to the blockchain because I do have a lot of windows open. So I'm going to close some of these windows. I need that one open. I'm gonna close that one. And let's see. Is it still spinning? Yes, it is. The blockchain is spinning. So I can't get the price of the token right now. So this video is getting long, so I'm going to go over what I will look for. So now I'm in the platform, and I'm about to figure out what this token does. So, access highly vetted investment opportunities in startups, real estate, video games, and crypto. So how it works. Let's go to how it works. So Republic allows anyone to invest in vetted private startups, highly selective, less than 3%, free for investors. Republic is investor friendly by design with no hidden fees and top rated. Mission driven. We launch accessibility, trusted, how to start. Pick a startup you like, review the company pitch terms, and decide whether you believe they will succeed. Invest a small amount to start. Plan to diversify, which means investing smaller amounts into several companies. Wait to see if the startup succeeds. If the startup does well, your investment can bring a return. Okay, so this is similar from what I'm reading, just off initial reading. This looks like similar to IDOs. Pick a startup you like, review the company pitch terms, and decide whether you believe you succeed. Invest in small. So basically, there's companies on this platform, or will be in this platform. And then if you have capital, you can give them seed money, which is your capital, to grow their company. And if their company is successful, you earn money. To be honest, yeah. This could be good if they have legitimate companies on here. Now, if they let some scams eat through on here, then they might have a problem, because people gonna give this platform their hard-earned money, and if the platform that they have on here run off with the money, that makes the platform look bad. So I personally like the IDO model a little bit better because the companies are vetted, and if they're not vetted, the IDOs that I get into, they make sure you making a profit once the token goes public, which kind of mitigates the risk of losing your initial investment. This way, this is even more risky because from what I'm seeing from this, there's no barrier to the risk of your initial investment. So I have to do more research on this one, but by the time I'm done with the research, the price of the APR is probably gonna drop a lot. Look at that, still spinning. So let me go back to the farms. Now, if this is a stable coin though, and it's pegged to the dollar, and it stays at that peg or something like that, I probably would invest in this. I do like stable coins. So this might be something to get into. Like you can see, people are steadily investing in it. Unfortunately, I can't find the price of the damn thing. Let's see, how to invest, before you invest, how the cross-save works, provide a return if the startup goes through an IPO. So the companies to raise public. So just for LP sake, invested in a yield farm, I would be looking for the price of the token, and then I would evaluate the token project to see if I believe that the token price could go up from there. If I believe that the token price was going to drop, I probably wouldn't invest in that LP because I would get hit with a permanent loss. So I hope that kind of makes sense, although I wasn't able to show you the whole process. But this video is getting really, really long. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let me see if I can do it now. I will make a standalone video where I show the whole process of how I pick a LP token, and I'll have it all set up where it's ready to go once I make my video, because right now it's spinning and it's not picking up my wallet. So there's nothing I can do as far as research on this token right now, which kind of sucks because I wanted to show you guys this whole process of how I pick a LP. And I can't. So with that being said, man, I really do appreciate you guys for watching this video. And this is your boy, Passive Crypto. Peace. I'm out.